Before you step on that ship, watch this, because these 10 cruise mistakes could turn your perfect getaway into a nightmare you'll never forget. Mistake number 10, booking the wrong cabin. That cheap interior cabin might look like a great deal until you realize it's right above the nightclub or below the anchor deck. Cabin location matters more than most people think. Always check the ship's deck plan before booking. Avoid cabins near elevators, theaters, or the engine room, unless you want sleepless nights. Mistake number 9, arriving the day of the cruise. Imagine spending months planning your trip, flying across the country, and then your flight gets delayed? The ship won't wait for you. Always arrive at least one day early. Stay overnight near the port so you can board relaxed and ready, not panicked and out of breath. Mistake number 8, forgetting to turn off data roaming. Many cruisers return home to a surprise, a cell phone bill that costs more than the cruise itself. Cell towers at sea connect to maritime networks, and that data is crazy expensive. Before you sail, put your phone on airplane mode and use the ship's Wi-Fi packages instead. Mistake number 7, overpacking and underpacking the right things. Most cabins have limited space, and trust me, you don't need 5 pairs of shoes for a 7-day trip. Instead, pack smart, lightweight clothes, a power strip without surge protection, sunscreen, and motion sickness meds. Oh, and don't forget a small day bag for excursions. The less you bring, the easier your vacation will be. Mistake number 6, ignoring onboard rules. You'd be surprised how many people get in trouble for things like smoking on balconies, bringing banned items, or saving deck chairs for hours. Cruise lines take their policies seriously. Breaking the rules can lead to fines, or even being removed at the next port. Always read the daily newsletter for ship policies and updates. Mistake number 5, skipping travel insurance. You think you don't need it until you do. Medical emergencies at sea or missed connections can cost thousands. Travel insurance covers cancellations, medical costs, and even emergency evacuations. It's a small price for major peace of mind. Mistake number 4, not budgeting for onboard expenses. That cruise fare doesn't cover everything. Drinks, specialty dining, excursions, Wi-Fi, and gratuities add up fast. Before you sail, set a budget for extras, or you might face a shocking bill at checkout. Pro tip, prepay what you can, or use an onboard credit strategy. Mistake number 3, falling for the ship's excursions only myth. Cruise lines often charge more for excursions than local operators. In many ports, you can find safe, reputable tours for half the price. Just make sure they guarantee return to ship times. Sometimes the best experiences are found off the beaten path. Mistake number 2, not exploring the ship early. Most passengers head straight for the buffet when they board and miss out on learning the ship's layout. Use embarkation day to explore. Find the quiet decks, best sunset spots, and hidden lounges. Knowing where everything is can save you time, stress, and crowded chaos later. Mistake number 1, forgetting why you're there. This might sound cheesy, but it's the biggest mistake of all. Cruises are meant to relax you, to disconnect from the noise of everyday life. Don't stress about getting the perfect selfie or doing everything. Unplug, watch the sunset, order dessert twice, because the real goal of a cruise isn't just to travel, it's to slow down and enjoy the journey. So there you have it, 10 cruise mistakes that can turn your dream trip into a disaster. Avoiding just a few of these can save you money, stress, and even your sanity at sea. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what's the biggest mistake you've seen someone make on a cruise. And if you're planning your first cruise, don't miss our next video, 10 cruise secrets the cruise lines don't want you to know. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you on board.